Hi, welcome back. Today I am making our basic item basmati rice. So let's get started. So today I am using 1 cup of basmati rice already rinsed and soaked in 2 cups of water. And here cumin seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of turmeric, and half teaspoon of red pepper, and 1 clove of garlic, and salt according to taste. And this is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And so I am warming up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's already heated. So this is a half teaspoon of cumin seeds that goes in, and then 1 clove of garlic. And now I'm going to stir it. When it's little brown, so I will pour, see it's brown, so I'm going to pour half teaspoon of turmeric and stir it, and salt and pepper according to taste, but I'm not going to put salt right now, it will be later. So this is already done, so let me put the water in it. And now 1 medium tomato. Tomato is just for the flavor. So here it goes. So now I'm going to cover it and wait until it boils. So it has started boiling. It took 2 minutes. So now I'm going to put the salt in it, and then turn off the stove and cover it again. And now we will wait until the rice soaks water and it will be ready to eat. The water is boiling now, so I'm going to cover it with the lid and turn off the stove, and then wait for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and it should be ready by the time, and we can look again. So 5 minutes have passed, and let's look. Wow, it's ready, and it looks really beautiful and yummy. So now we can serve it in a plate and taste it. Now I'm going to serve it in the plate. So here it goes. Yes, it's ready. Now I'm going to eat it and see how it is. So now I'm going to taste it. It's really yummy and delicious. Thank you for watching, and see you next week with another recipe.